signature?
You got one on the side.
Hey.
Flex them, babe. You know, I was gonna take it down myself, but.
That's down there, not up there, sweetheart.
Right, to get this though.
To give a chance to watch them because of the little things that they do. It's the least penalized team in the country. The turnover margin is second in the country.
We're getting in a truck.
2-inch tram.
Yeah, we'll probably do it as we go. Let's just move it over, move it back.
Tight.
Head Mike.
We dumped that.
You dumped it? No, that was too thin. That's going to be 3/4.
This before, but now it's on.
There you go.
No, we need the level.
I don't have it here.
Go see if they have.
The renovation to my home is the bathroom, new vanity, new tub enclosure, and walls, and this new stairway to the attic. It's a dream come true for me. Makes my home much better. And keep my wife happy.
Well, unfortunately, sometimes the veterans, especially the older ones, have a harder time in this day and age of keeping up with their homes. Some of the basic needs, such as roof repairs and things like that, that are costly. By being able to do this, we're allowing them to live the rest of their lives in their homes in comfort and safe and in warmth.
It's such a godsend, all the work that they're doing, and it made us feel more relaxed. My husband didn't know how we were going to get the roof. This was amazing. It was just amazing what they have volunteered, and I cannot thank these people enough. They're wonderful.